make this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys, that's Nike boys hopping our coast. This shit way too big, when we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at post. Had to hit my old town to duck the news.
We need a song. What time is it? At 12 o'clock. Better put the song in. Y'all
Shouldn't be doing shots.
right?
I think it's a drunk man. No shots, no shots. There's no such thing as a drunk man.
When you see me now like Kaepernick, call a reverend. So I got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever.
Please fix my wig. It's like,
No, I'm trying to push this side down.
right? It's because I didn't breathe it down.
You never break your shit
Yo,
down.
because it's too much.
You're so crazy.
I should braid it down.
No, it's fine. It looks good. It looks good. I just have to push that down.
Keep pushing it. Oh my god.
Imagine I'm pushing a little too hard, you go fly.
I'm like, yo. I'll be on the ground like this, just like, I'm done. I'm done with it.
I'm
Alright,
not
do you
even
think
gonna
it's
try
like-
to make it to the video shoot. I'm done.
I'm not even gonna try to like lean. I'm just kind of like,
No, you can move. I would say like arch it and get away from this little thing.
yeah. Okay. Is this too close?
Honestly, that brought so much publicity to
Tell that
Deja.
girl.
My friend was listening to her. I never even listened to her, but my friend was like, "Yeah, after that bitch on the cow, I started listening to her." Like,
No, literally. Okay, I just gotta think of a concept that's like,
and then, but like, and also like people wouldn't say, you know.
right.
Because that's even what Kanye does. Like, he tries to think of shit like
You're
people.
such a fucking hoe. I love it.
Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you.
Standing over there on the edge of the ocean. Ooh. 'Cause I know what love ever made. I ain't leaving, I ain't going without you, out you, out you, out you, out.
Hey vlog. So really cold right now. You like my gloves? I think they're cute. My outfit. There's a brick out here. Here's the video. And here's some shots. Yeah. I think that's the something island bridge, but I don't know what it's called. I can't remember what it's called. I can't remember what that bridge is called. I think that's a Rainbow Bridge actually. Hey again vlog, it's so cold. I'm cold. Look at this bird about to touch the water. This water is about -0 degrees. Like, what?
Oh, no pun intended.
Yeah, it could not be. That's why animals are warm. 'cause
Like I met him way sooner than he met me, so like, yeah, like you see this little thing.
Okay, because listen,
I was going up to like, WWE fight, like. Do I look like I'm smiling? Do you want to do it one more time? Yeah, okay.
Hey, somebody took me on a date here. It's
Why?
cold outside to walk all the way down there.
Okay, so here's family number 1. Like, they're not the first one, but they're here too. Look at all these people. Another group. This random man. And then another group. Y'all freezing. This is ridiculous. Winter should be illegal. After Game of Thrones come up, then winter should be illegal. Amber and I, the only ones not in the car, and we're freezing.
Yo, I'm mad fucking. Look at the sky, bro.
Yo, frick.
Wow, that sky is like beautiful.
You put the gloves on?
Yep.
Freeze.
You think like when you got those seats like that, that's probably gonna be more helpful to the edit, or like more harmful to the edit?
More helpful. Just gonna look nicer.
More ND, probably.
You're in a vlog.
Did this.
Oh yes, now we can all
Doing
be in the
this.
warm.
Freeze my ass off. It's all good though, y'all. Cause listen, we're gonna get back to it. But listen, it's not that type of party because these my gloves now.
Oh, those are good. That's why I'm like,
These
hey,
not-
best friend. No, go ahead. I'm good.
You're my Jamaican boy, more like my jam dung toy. I trust you cause you bring me joy. You occupy my time like my employed. Ooh, and I'm addicted to you. Need you more than a new pair of shoes.
I haven't been to the gym in about 2 weeks, so I'm about to go to the gym. Yeah, because I had exams and then I had finals week, which I didn't go to the gym none at all. And then the week before that, I had exams, which wasn't even, just regular exams. And I just didn't go to the gym. I think I went to the gym once. But we got to get back into it. So I'll be going to the gym today and I'll be going tomorrow. So I've just been like collectively putting some clips together, and this is me today. I think I just came back from the gym, cleaned the kitchen, washed the dishes or whatever. I think I might go to the mall. Let me look over there. Right here. I'm about to jump in an Uber and go to the mall, meet my mom, and we're gonna walk around and do some little pre-season shopping, because I have a big surprise. I can't wait to share it with you. Like, it's a big surprise from me, but to my people who were watching my older videos, my other vlogs, I think you guys might like it. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, I gotta go because there's 1 minute and 14 seconds. I might see you guys at the mall. I might see you guys in the Uber. I might see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. My skin is looking nice. I'm trying to prep my skin. Like, look at my eyes though. Look at my bags. I'm fine though. It's natural. And it shows that I'm aging. I'm healthy. My bun is looking healthy too. You see it? So we're about to head to the mall. Wash your plates, people. Eat them. All of the rice grains are gone. I did not scrape this plate, but I did devour it though. Anyways, ooh, something guys. Gross. So the whole behind was wet, so now I'm about to change out of my sweatpants into some leggings. Like, changed into some black leggings that are size small. Look at this thing, like it's so transparent that I have to be conscious about using that, like using my underwear. Using my underwear now. I have to be conscious of that all night. Thank you. Body. Alright, let's go. I don't know how good it's going. Then you're ugly. Oh, sorry, I should say that kind of loud.
Yeah, no, but the nice one when I just actually.
Yeah. Ooh. Clothes. How are you really Jamaican if you don't like clothes? I need to shop. Okay. From the clothes store. They have a sale going on, but it's very too small. It's me, guys. I like the heels. Yeah, that's actually really cute. The heels. I like it. Ooh, no one here's like the very same and different. Wow. I'm coming. That's my mom.
Come on, let's go.
Do we look alike? Could you be tricked for me?
No.
That's where I get all my good looks from. Right?
Where?
From you. Okay guys, it's me again. This time we're in Free People. We got shoes from Clarks. And my pants that I had to change out of. Let's get jolly, deck the hall with balls of glory. I can't sing, we all know this, so don't judge me. $49 and under. Is there a sale section? Okay, let me change this before I get copyrighted. This stuff is cute. This stuff is good.
Look, have him knock him up and give him wine to drink. So the man said, he said, you know something about me, because I know you do. Is that what I say? Why did you come
Make
in
it.
here? Why you feel like you have a need?
This is crossbody. You can't really see. I'm gonna put it on. Sorry guys, sorry. It's back. This little thing is so cute. It goes around your waist. See it? There you go. It goes around your waist like, and it's like that around your waist. Cute. You need to sponsor me. Get some on my iPhone because girl, I don't camera money. My mom just disappeared. She loves disappearing on me. Lit. See right here. That's cute. Oh my god, I just pulled it. Oh, you know I need to call. I'm gonna call Kimmy tomorrow. I'm gonna text him. No, I have to be home. I can't fuck with him.
Where did I put my card?
Maybe it's in the bag.
No. Oh, okay.
There is the Foot Locker House of Hoops. Okay. That's where I got these shoes from. In there. And there's the good for nothing security guards doing nothing. You see? No, this was so smart by them, by Windows to do, PlayStation. Because this is the new wave, man. No, this is the, I don't know. Yeah, they beat them by like so much, like 20 something points. Yeah, it was like 71 to 50 something, I think.
They're going hard.
You'll be doing them. I really want a champ sweatpants, like the gray ones, but that makes sense.
They love Under Armour. I think you can still America.
Under Armour. I like Asics. I like running in them. I need gloves when I lift.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Sheng Yang anthem. No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love